When is World Environment Day celebrated? June 5th. All the plants present in a particular region or time period is called flora. Which is the purpose of a CPU? To process data. Which of the following is not a type of computer? Television. How many bits are there in 1 byte? Eight. What is the purest form of gold? (24-karat). Who discovered X-rays? Wilhelm Röntgen. Yeast is a dash. Fungus. What is the name of the tissue that attaches muscles to the bones? Tendon. Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria.